Welcome to Richter Scale Modelling. For my next build, I'm building the diorama of the Battle of Kursk, the Russian and German front. If you've already watched the build for the Tiger 1, the Airfix Tiger 1 172, I'll briefly touch on this diorama. That Tiger tank is going to be included in the diorama with these four here. So as you can see, this is a Zvezda kit. It's a 172, and what we have here is a series of tanks and figures. On the back of the box, we have a Soviet heavy tank, the medium tank, the T-34. We have another Tiger 1, and we have a Panzer, and of course we have the troops of the Russian and German troops. Now, I don't even know how they look inside the box. Let's have a look. Well, this is the very first time me opening this up. So the kits are individually wrapped, they're not individually boxed, which is good because that saves on packaging. So I will just quickly go through them. I'm not going to open these up just now. So we have the figures here. They all look nicely molded, nice size. I also like on the figures that the bases are detached from them. So if you're displaying them without the bases, you can do. So that's going to save a lot of work. So we got the T-34, the medium tank. They have the separate air tracks here, which is good. Looks nicely molded. Not sure what this is. This is probably just a Russian thing to send off the spare parts. This KC-12, the Soviet heavy tank, IS-2. So same again, rubber tracks. And we have the medium tank, the Panzer. So that is a nice mold on that Panzer. That looks a bit better than the Airfix one. And the Tiger 2. Which, yeah, that looks all good as well. So a lot to get into with this kit. I will obviously be building these individually, and I will go through each build individually, then combine it all at the end when I build the diorama. So just a quick video to show you what's actually in the box. If you haven't done so already, why don't you subscribe to the channel for these builds that I'm going to be doing. Hit that like button, and of course leave a comment. But for now, thank you all very much for watching. Bye bye.